Hey guys, I got a 2024 Toyota Prius. I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter. So it's located right here. Very easy to do. You're going to remove that latch, and then just pop this up like that. That right there is your engine air filter. Just going to remove it. This one looks pretty clean, so we won't replace it. When you put it back in, just make sure that you put those into those two holes, and then just like that. So hopefully that helped. I'll link one in the description. Thanks for watching.